สวัสดีค่ะ
Good afternoon viewers, welcome back to another video from sunny Kamala Beach in Phuket, Thailand, where we're going for another walk down the main promenade, whatever you call it. Hope everyone's well. Welcome to the channel if it's the first time you've been here. Welcome to all my subscribers who watch me on a regular basis. I appreciate it.
Appreciate it, thank you.
We'll just go for a quick walk down here. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. A few people around. It's about 30 degrees yet again. The sun's out, blue skies. And away we go. If you're new to the channel, thanks for joining me on this walk. Basically just do videos, walking along streets in Thailand, just seeing what's around and having a bit of chat on the way through. So sit back and enjoy. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, so we're just coming up to the main part now where all the restaurants and stuff are. Nice surfboard. You can do surfboard lessons there. Surfing lessons, whatever you want to call it. The waves do get a little bit choppy here. Nothing bad. It's quite nice actually. Love this beach, as you all well know. So, alright, here we go. Here's the market part. You can buy all your towels and stuff. There's the coconut man.
1 coconut, 2 coconut, 3 coconut.
He's cool. He's awesome. People get massages on the beach.
I'm so good at sucking, I should work at a Thai massage parlor.
Enjoying the afternoon. Fresh coconut. So I've been to Thailand probably about 12, 13 times now over the last 15 years. That's how much we fell in love with it. Beautiful people, beautiful food, beautiful weather. It's just an amazing place. And if you've never been, make the effort and get here. There's some cool tuk-tuks there. Get you back to Patong, wherever you're going, wherever your hotel is. Awesome here. Weather's usually pretty much always good for people to enjoy. The blind dude doing some on the banjo. It's cool. Dude on the swing there, enjoying himself.
Swing, swing, swing.
Trying to get past him before he takes my head off. Massages here on the beach. Oh, it's just beautiful, man. Can't get much better than that. Still no Sean King outside the pond. He's still not here.
Good eye!
mean, really, it's just beautiful, 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 beautiful. Perfect day to be down here on the beach. People still eating food, putting down their Changs and their Leos. Going to enjoy themselves.
Yeah, boy.
A deck chair here. Probably about 100 baht, 200 baht for the day. And just enjoy the day. And little kiddies having fun on the swings. Isn't that cool? Beautiful place. Beautiful place. Massages, palm trees, restaurants, you name it, we've got it. We've got it. And horses. Horses on the beach up there, can you see that?
Hello, I'm Mr. Red.
He's going for a cruise on the beach. Oh, there comes another one. I'm not sure how much that costs, but you can get on a horse or two, go for a cruise down the beach on the ocean's edge. Yeah, very good. There they go, they're going out there now, I think. Yep. Beautiful. Alright guys, here's one more last look at the amazing Kamala Beach here in Phuket, Thailand. Just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful beach. Bloody gimbal's playing up a bit today, sorry fellas, don't know what's going on there. And the kiddies swinging on the chairs there, having some fun. Alright, I'm going to leave it there. Hope you enjoyed the video. This little stroll down Kamala Beach in Phuket, Thailand. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, leave a comment, it all helps. And I'll see you in the next one. Still the carousel's going. Anyone going up? No one's going up. Alright, I'll leave it to you now. Alright, bye for now. Have a good day. See you in the next one.